Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about the latest updates on Bounty News. In fact, Bounty News is now confirmed a scam. I don't want to waste much of your time in this video. Now you'll be saying, why am I saying it's a scam? But people have been withdrawing. People have been withdrawing. But the new strategy of scamming people is what I am going to reveal to you guys in this video without any compromise. All you need to do is to pay attention to this video, watch this video, listen to me from beginning to the end so that you will be on safe side. If you know you're a member of this platform, you join this platform, you are earning on this platform, you need to watch this video. Okay, you are earning on this platform, all you need to do is to calm down, watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video we are going to see the strategy this platform is trying to use to scam others. But as long as Legit Boss is concerned, none of my members or none of my viewers, none of my community will fall victim to this cheap scam. Okay, that is the reason why I'm called Legit Boss. We will expose them hands down without any compromise. But before I proceed, guys, for those of you who are hearing my voice for the first time, or those of you who are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every day on this channel. So if you're interested in making money online, if you're an online hustler, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest update is to hit on that subscribe button shown on screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on daily basis with money making updates. Then at the end of this video, for those of you who are not in my WhatsApp group and you're interested in making money again, I'll be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. So for you to stay connected, make sure you are in our WhatsApp group. I'll be leaving the link in the comment section. So after watching this video, you can use the link to join our WhatsApp group. We have about 5 free paying updates in our group now as I speak in this video. So if you are not in our WhatsApp group, it means you are missing a lot. So make sure you join after watching this video. Okay, now what is the latest update and why do I say this platform is now a scam? Okay, we have been earning on this platform apparently, and we have been paid. We are not only earning, but we have been paid. Even me, I'm a living testimony. I've been paid on this platform, but doesn't mean they are now 100% legit that we should do whatever they ask us to do. Just yesterday, they started with their OTP. Now they are now asking you to do OTP if you want to place your withdrawal now, or if you log into your account now. The first thing they are going to ask you to do is to do your OTP, is to do bind your number with OTP, and that OTP they are sending to you is not even automated. Oh. They are going to call you. Do you know what they are using it to do? Do you know what they are using it to do? They want to use you to borrow money from Okash. For those of you who know Okash platform, it is a loan platform where someone can obtain loan from. So they want to use you now to obtain loan on your head. So the way this platform is trying, they want to make it tricky. In fact, let it not be as if I'm talking too much. Take a look at your screen. One of my members came to me. Was it last night? He showed me. He told me they even called him when he was trying to receive the code, when he was trying to bind his own account. They called him that they have sent the code to him that he should apply it. You know what they're using that code for? The moment you receive that code, they are using it. They will use your details to borrow money from Okash or other loan platforms. And once that is done, you know what it means? You'll be held responsible. Those loan platforms, they will track you down anywhere you are in this Nigeria. They are going to track you. So that is the reason why I said, if you know you are earning on this platform, suspend it. In fact, stop earning. After watching this video now, delete this application from your phone. If you have the application in your phone, for you to be on safe side, because you might be tempted. Maybe you have been paid before, and I want to congratulate those that were able to cash out when they were doing well. Because myself, I'm happy because I cash out, even though the money is chicken change, but at least we were happy because we got paid for free. Okay, so congratulations to those who were able to cash out, and I'm always telling you guys, whenever you see something that is free, that is paying, the best thing to do is to join as soon as you get it. Don't doubt, don't fade, because I'm always saying it in my videos that you see all these free platforms, they don't intend to last for long. And the highest they can last, highest you see is 3 weeks, 2 weeks, they will stop paying, they will start misbehaving. Now this one, they did not even pay up to 2 weeks, they start misbehaving. They are now trying to use people's details to obtain loan from loan platforms, and we are going to say no to that. It is not going to happen under Legit Boss watch. For those of you who are in my community, please and please, if you, as soon as you watch this video, make sure to delete your own bounty news from your phone. Do not log in again. In fact, let them go with the exchange. It's not this 1,500 naira that are giving us, that they will now come and use our details to obtain millions of naira from loan platforms, and then you'll be held responsible. One day you just wake up one day and discover that people are knocking on your door. You wake up, you see police people who arrest you for what you don't know about. So please, as soon as you get this video, make sure you start spreading it so that a lot of people will know that this platform are now scammers. Please and please stay away from bounty news. Bounty news is now a scam. It has been verified that they are now a scam. A lot of proofs. In fact, if you try bandit that code, once they send it to you, what we hearing, the call will be here receiving is from loan people, loan platforms. You should do this, you should do that. So you see it. So that is it, guys. That is the reason why I said we cannot fold our arms. Like I said yesterday in my WhatsApp group, for those of you in my WhatsApp group, I said I am still investigating on that matter, and I have finally come out with the full information now that they are scam. They are now confirmed 100% scam. No two ways about it. And if you doubt me in this video, if you get scammed, I will not be held responsible for it. Legit boss will not be held responsible for it. Please and please stay away from this platform. As soon as I finish making this video now, I am going to delete this platform from my phone. You will not hear anything from this platform again. But if they eventually come back again and start paying the way they used to do, and then they remove this binding of number of a thing, this OTP of a thing, I will say we should continue earning. But for now, they are trying to use our details to obtain loan from loan platform, to put us in trouble, to put us in jail. We are going to say no to that. It's not going to happen. Never. Not as long as legit boss is concerned. It cannot be possible. So that is it, guys. So as soon as you watch this video, please start sharing it, and then make sure to delete this application from your phone. If you're having the application, if you're having the site on your this thing on your tabs, please close all the tabs. Stop in on this platform. For those of you who are in my WhatsApp group, you know the platforms you have to focus on now after watching this video. So focus on the remaining 5. Leave this one. It used to be 6 before, but now we are having only 5 paying updates now in our WhatsApp group. So for this one now, make sure to delete it from your phone so that we know that you're on the safer side. Okay, I repeat again, bounty news is now a scam. Any from bounty news should desist, otherwise you may be involving yourself in a risk that might consume you. Please take note. Thank you for watching this video, and I remain Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If you have any other question, the comment section is widely open for you. You can comment below. Thank you.